of Lele, of Lakon, of Lele, of Lakon, Bass, Boss, Lakon. Guys, it's Lakon, Kearney Sir on Jimmy Jump Off. And guys, let me tell you something. Lakon is trending number one on Twitter. As I speak, Lakon is number one trending on Twitter. He's the number one guy trending online on Twitter as I speak. Come on, guys. We ain't joking yet. We ain't talking. What are you talking about, man? Lakon on Jimmy Jump Off is on. Guys, I can't wait to do this reaction. Actually, someone shared the link with me. Shout out to Fixon for sharing this link with me. And it's time for us to react to Lakon on Jimmy Jump Off. Let's see how he does it. Let's see Lakon give us those creative lines. Those is amazing lyrics, and his confidence level is so good on the mic. Guys, I can't wait to react to this one, man. It's time for us to decompose. Turn our ears on, and we're going for Lakon right now. Guys, let's go.
The best of the best, East Coast Prince. I know it's better than the rest. East Coast Prince, the rapper no one contest. East Coast Prince.
We hit it. Boom. Okay.
I go by the name LAYCON, and I'm right here with my big daddy, legendary DJ Jimmy Jab.
Oh,
and I'm about to still on the mic with Jimmy Jump Off. Expect fire.
Wait. I need to increase the volume as loud as possible. But yeah, let's go.
Check. This, just wrote that shit, so let's just see how it goes. Yo, first things first, you will never find me talking shit about another person. I'm on my shit. Second,
First, you never find me talking rubbish about another person. I'm on my shit. Talking shit about another person. I'm on my shit. Basically, it's not a snitch. Basically, it's not a backstabber. Basically, it's not a gossip. He's Lakon. He's always all about himself, thinking on his own. Let's go.
the thing is, you will never find me trying to pull people down because I'm on top of my shit.
You never find him trying to pull people down because he's on top of his shit. Basically, he's at the top there, so he doesn't do anything that brings people down. Down top, already giving us those doubles. Let's go.
Third thing is, if it's real, then it's real. This is real music. Always over bullshit, yo. Fourth thing is, you will never find. This list is so many, put a pin on that shit. So the president is here, I'll address the issues on the table. The tag is clear, Fierce Nation still be the label. Goal is evolved, icons with the assist. My music preacher permit, that shit be on every list.
Lakon is giving us the football scheme right there. He said the goal is the ball, icons with the assist. Basically, because he assists in getting the football. And he says the goal is the ball. Basically, is indirectly giving us a double there because you actually score a goal with the ball. But he's telling you that the goal is the ball means that his goal basically is the ball on the football pitch. Let's go. Let's take it back a little bit. Come on, guys. Come on. Let's take it back. I'm all fired up for Lakon on this one. Let's go, Lakon. Let's go.
The tag is clear, Fierce Nation still be the label. Goal is evolved, icons with the assist. My music preacher permit, that should be on every list. That should be on every lips. It is succulent, jaw dropping jabs with finesse. Said president, this good music all over on any level, that's fresh. The flow's for the music, so the sheepers need to rest. There's a lot to brag about.
He said the flow is for the music, so the shippers need to rest. Basically, he just addresses some shippers, man, some anti-Lakon shippers. Let's go.
Every lips, it is succulent, jaw dropping jabs with finesse. Said president, this good music all over on any level, that's fresh. The flow's for the music, so the sheepers need to rest. There's a lot to brag about, but I stay humble. Just let the music speak, also let the numbers speak. We know that.
Okay, I see you. There's a lot to brag about, but I stay humble. Just let the music speak. And just let the numbers speak. Lakon hit 10 million on audio mark streams, man. What are we talking about here? Allow the numbers to speak. Allow my music to speak for me. I'm staying humble because I know my talents and my gifts are speaking enough for me. Lakon, give it to them, man. Let's go.
They never lie. This shit to get your life. I'm not even at the top yet, and they all wanna cry. And they say I go high too fast. It's like I smoked the old joint.
They say I go high too fast. It's like I smoked an old joint. Basically, when you smoke, you go high very fast, you know. And they said I go high too fast because his career level, he just skyrocketed from being just some upcoming artist to an A-level act, and he has the whole nation behind him. Come on, guy. Come on, guy. Give them. Spit your shit. Talk your shit.
Just let the music speak. Also let the numbers speak. We know
Okay.
they never lie. This shit to get your life. I'm not
Okay.
even at the top yet, and they all wanna cry.
Okay.
And they say I go hard too fast, it's like I smoked the old joint. I
Okay.
just came off the show. Isn't that the fucking point? Keep saying the music.
I just came off the show. Isn't that the effing point? Let's go.
Too fast, it's like I smoked the old joint. I just came off the show. Isn't that the fucking point? Keep saying the music won't park us at the show. Remember, the music made me go into the show, so
Okay.
I went on the show.
It's not addressing why he went into BB Ninja. It's like, remember that the music is the reason why he went into the show in the first place. So you guys don't tell him that it's only because he went to the show that he became a big star. The reason why he was even on the show because he wanted to be a big star in the music. Take it back. Talk your shit, man. Talk your shit.
Called Cruise on the show, made music on the show, changed lives on the show. Made
Okay.
money
He made music on the show. He changed lives on the show. Lakon! Back.
I
Let's
went
go.
on the show, called Cruise on the show, made music on the show.
Cut Cruz, he knew what Lakon was doing with Nengi's Botox on that show. Lakon cut Cruz, he really cut his Cruz. He changed lives on the show. He made music on the show. Look how he did with the whole Tom Tom adverts and whatever him and V did on those challenges. Let's go.
Changed lives on the show.
Okay.
Made money on the show. I
Okay.
made money off the show since I won the fuck.
He made money on the show and made money off the show. Talk your shit, man. Like the endorsement deals Lakon is getting. Come on, guy. Come on. Spit
Show.
it.
Let's end the fucking show at the end. I walk up to the mic with bad intentions and murder. See if it's workplace, let's do it. I was
He said he walk up to the mic with bad intentions. He murders. See, basically, anytime he walks up to the mic, he murders the beats. He goes there to kill the beats. No mercy. Let's go.
born for this. I just make sure I stay ahead. There's no flipping me. This coin has gone too far. There's no.
He said, I just make sure I stay ahead. There's no flipping me because remember that the coin has head or tails, so he stays ahead. He's always on the top of this. He's always at the head of the coin. So there's no flipping me. This coin has gone too far. Like head or tails in the coin, he stays ahead. He's always at the head of the coin. So there's no way you can flip him. And also giving us a double there that you can't flip him. You can't make him angry. He has gone too far to get angry for him to be flipped. You get. Let's go. Lakon, talk your shit.
I was born for this. I just make sure I stay ahead. There's no flipping me. This coin has gone too far. There's no telling me. I market, I sell. My bar drops, the sell never drop. The charges go up. The con never stop. You get a plus. The clapping goes up. I bet the critics won't stop. And that's the BRG motivation. Hey, I go to
I bet the critics won't stop, and that's the BIG motivation. Come on, guys. Lakon is giving us, man. He's telling that that's a big motivation because he knows that these people will continue to criticize him, but he's still motivated. He's still keeping the hustle going. He's still there with the energy. Let's go.
Easton, send me the live location. The song drops and rise up to the occasion.
Okay.
Hey, I speed up and meet all the expectations.
Okay.
And see, this is how you have the conversations. You don't see war generals make enemies of those they already defeated. They just move forward and conquer new territories in the.
Ooh, man, Lakon, come on here. You're not here with the history. You don't see war generals make enemies. You just see them go conquer and move territories. So that's his goal, man. He's not a war general in the game, so he's not yet to make enemies with people. He's just focused on his goal, and he's going there and conquering every challenge, conquering every difficulty, and moving higher. 2021, man, Lakon is the star. Let's go.
Generals make enemies of those they already defeated. They just move forward and conquer new territories. And if these territories are free, then by enemies, we make sure we buy enemies.
Ooh, man, doubles. He said, and if this territory is defeated, then by enemies we'll make sure we buy by any means. Like, let's go.
You don't see war generals make enemies of those they already defeated. They just move forward and conquer new territories. And if these territories are free, then by enemies we make sure we buy enemies just to die enemies. Give them all energy. This is what God leads. And
See, by any means, by any means we'll make sure we buy enemies just to die enemies. Like by any means, that's also a rhyme scheme with by any means and buying enemies just to make sure we die enemies. Come on, the wordplay in this one is just heavy, man. It's heavy. Let's go.
make sure we buy enemies just to die enemies.
Okay.
Give them all energy. This
Okay.
is what God leads, and I am God, but stay with me. I accelerate forward. I bet they come around. See, even when I couldn't drive, I turned my life around. So
Ooh, man. You say accelerate forward even when they come around. Even when I couldn't drive, I turned my life around. Come on, the metaphors, the wordplays. We are seeing this on a freestyle, man. This guy's brilliance is off the charts. Let's go.
So if this is me driving people crazy, I thank my icons for the flow. Y'all give me the zeal to always bring you the fire. That's the light and the smoke cold. Why you think they like to drago? Hey.
So you give me the icons, give him the zeal to always spit fire. That's the light and the smoke. Cool. Why do you think they like to drag? Basically using the scheme that they like dragging him online, but also dragging the smoke. You know, let's go.
To bring you the fire, that's the light and the smoke cold. Why you think they like to drago? Hey, me I breathe the right to brago.
Me I be the right to brago. Come on, Laycon is talented, man. This guy is a star. Let's go.
Music come through, let the fans come through. This love is immense, me I gotta talk true. I love you, bro.
Okay.
Let's get personal, keep it personal.
Okay.
My family's personal, my friends are personal.
Okay.
Let's just focus on the music, leave the personal.
Okay.
And we
My friends are personal, my friends are personal. Let's focus on the music, leave the personal. Come on, guys. His fans are personal. That's how Laycon treats his fans, like his family, they are personal. Focus on the music, leave the personal. The music is a star, and any other thing, even the personal, man, is still a humble guy to the core. This guy is an icon, man. What are you saying? Let's go.
can't do this alone, this emotional, we are different. So we do these things, we move this weirdly. This shit is real cause people get sad. You can't use keyboards for likes and retweets to make people feel bad. Because people take lives, let's be real my guy. That's to give you life, you're dead to a lot of people till you take your life. That's when you see a lot of RIP posts. But the dead don't see those. The dead is resting like a government. The dead is sleeping cause I'm
it's like our government is dead is sleeping because our government is really sleeping on us, man. Let's go.
Riding through the toll gate for free, and I think took a lot of gunshots for that to happen. I told you my life is like a movie.
Also, I think that like our government, the dead is sleeping, and also a reference the toll gate killing, the massacre that happened, the Lekki massacre, which was also talking about the dead. Also, let's go, man. Let's go.
Is resting like a government. The dead is sleeping cause I'm riding through the toll gate for free, and I think took a lot of gunshots for that to happen.
I'm riding through the toll gate for free, and I think took a lot of gunshots for that to happen. Because right now the toll gates right now are being burnt, and because of that you can drive through it without any payments, but also took a lot of gunshots because the Lekki massacre actually made a lot of people die, and that was what caused the riot that even made the toll gate to be burnt. That's talking about some sensitive shit and also bringing it to the point in his freestyle that hey, we are still conscious and we are still woke and we are still fighting the good fight as youths. Come on, Laycon is an icon, man. Let's go.
I told you my life is like a movie. And God is the real star. Me, I'm just a co-star. My life is like a ruby.
God is the real star. Me, I'm just a co-star. My life is like a ruby. Come on, give us the metaphors there. Let's go.
And God is the real star. Me, I'm just a co-star. My life is like a ruby. And God is the real treasure. I'm just the real treasure. I see when I come through, sir. And LAYC when it's true, sir. And these days we blow, and these days we grow, and this is show. Jump off.
Oh man, guys, man. I can't wait to get on Twitter and just talk about this. I can't wait to drop this off. Come on, guys, Laycon killed it. He killed this one, and he came in heavy on this Jimmy jump off, guys. I'm really happy for what Laycon did on this. I'm happy that he really showed us his creative talent, his lyricism, his wordplay, his flow, and everything was very balanced on this freestyle. Like, you could see that he actually wrote some lines through his phone and he was freestyling it from his phone. But come on, the lines were heavy and they hit hard. The rhyme scheme, the delivery, the flow. In fact, this guy is a god. This guy has the god body. Basically, he's a god in a human body. Like, come on, he knows what he is and he knows that he has that intellectual sound, and he actually reflects his brilliance and his intelligence in his music. Come on, guys. So let's give a shout out to Laycon. If you are new to my channel, you're an icon, come on, leave a like, leave a comment on this, leave a like, guys, and I'll see you guys. And don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe before I see you guys in my next music video reaction. And with that being said, guys, peace. And if you haven't checked my other Laycon reactions, come on, guys, it's right here. So click on it, and I'll see you guys my next time. Peace.